Okay, now we are going to continue our discussion on the distance formula. I'll start again with the basic questions for those who have missed out the previous lessons, and I'm going to rediscuss how to apply distance formula in solving these two questions. If you look at the first question, in the first question they're asking you to find the length of a line segment joining the following points. These are the 2 points, and when I join these 2 points, I'll get a line segment, and we have to find out the length of the line segment. So first of all, I'll assume E as x1 comma y1 is equals to -1 comma 4, and I'll take F as x2 comma y2 is equals to 8 comma 3. Now I know according to the distance formula, length of any line segment AB is equals to x2 minus x1 whole is square plus y2 minus y1 whole is square, and they both are inside the square root. So the first point is E, I'll replace A with E. The second point is F, I'll replace B with F. So the length of the line segment is EF. X2, the value of x2 is 8 minus the value of x1 is -1. Since I cannot put two signs together, that is why I am writing this negative sign in a bracket, and then I'll leave the square bracket with a square. Plus y2, the value of y2 is 3 minus y1 is 4. So I'll write 3 minus 4 and then whole is square root of both these values. So EF is now going to be 8 minus minus plus, it becomes 8 plus 1 is square, plus 3 minus 4 is -1 and then square on -1. 8 plus 1 becomes 9 square, plus square of -1 is just 1. 9 square is 81 plus 1, and 81 plus 1 is 82. Square root of 82 unit. Square root of 82 will stay inside the square root, or you may find out the square root of 82 with the help of the calculator. I am just leaving the answer here. This is the case where I have given you 2 points A and B. But you can see in A there is a variable P, and in B also there is one more variable, the same variable, which is P. So you can say A and B are not completely known points. One component is missing in each of them. Anyways, these are the 2 points carrying the same variable, and 10 is the distance between these 2 points. So if I just read out the question, the distance between 2 points A and B is 10 units. Find the possible values of P. So I have the first point. I'll say let ax1 comma y1 is equals to P comma 0, and I'll say B x2 comma y2 is equals to 0 comma P, and the distance between both the points is 10. So I can say the distance is AB, and which is 10 unit. I have to find out the values of P, for which I need to construct an equation involving P and H. Looking at the data, I have first point, I have second point, and I have distance here. So the formula that is going to help me form an equation is the distance formula. According to distance formula, AB is equals to x2 minus x1 is square plus y2 minus y1 is square. With the help of this formula, I have an equation in terms of P which I'll be able to solve. AB is 10 is equals to x2 is 0. 0 minus x1 is P. Then y2 is P minus y1 is 0. Okay, I hope yes, okay. So P minus 0 whole is square. I can say 10 is equals to 0 minus P becomes minus P, and minus P square will only be P square, plus P minus 0 is again P. P square becomes P square. So 10 is equals to P square plus P square becomes 2P square. In order to find out the value of P, I need to remove that square root. I will square on both sides. This will be 100 is equals to, I can cancel this square with the square root, 2P square. And in order to find out the value of P, I need to first of all remove that 2 from there. I'll have P square is equals to 100 divided by 2, which means P square is equals to 50. And in order to find out the value of P, I'll take a square root on both sides. p is equals to plus minus square root of 50, and 50 in the simplest form can be written as plus minus 5 square root 2. I hope you can see. So these are the possible values of p. P equals to plus minus 5 square root 2. So I have got two values of p, plus 5 square root of 2 and minus 5 square root of 2. I hope that now you will be able to solve a question in which I give you 2 points and ask you the distance between the points. That's very straightforward. But I can give you this case when I mention 2 points and I'll give you the distance between both the points. If the distance between both the points is there and you have a variable either in both the points or in just one point, so you can find out the value of that unknown again using the distance formula, forming the equation in the form of the variable mentioned in either both the points or in any one of the points. I hope this much is clear. We'll continue discussing more about distance formula in the next video. Thank you.